Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your special of the week, offered online and of course over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores for the next 24 hours from the time of this upload to YouTube. So it does pay to be a YouTube subscriber. Head over to youtube.com/AinslieBullion because you'll get notified of this video pretty much soon as it gets released. We will post this special to the other socials, Facebook and Twitter, etc. But, just in case you want to be subscribed to get access to it first. What are we looking at? 5-ounce Ainslie Bullion silver bars. I just arranged that in a beautiful pyramid for you. Aren't you lucky? Now let's take a quick little up-close look. Now I'll tell you the discount as well in a couple of seconds. Ainslie Bullion, 5-ounce, fine silver, 999, 5+ silver bars, and a lovely little, look at the little swirl on the back there. That's actually pretty cool, isn't it? So very nice 5-ounce silver bars. Do you have 5-ounce silver bars in your stack? Post a comment below. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Give us your reasons. So post a comment in the YouTube comment section and let us know. Do you have them yourself? Are you considering getting them? They're a great little midway point between, not your little 1-ounce coins, not your big kilo bars and stuff like that. So not a bad idea to diversify within size in your stack. So grabbing a bunch of these, not a bad idea. And they're going to go at a little bit of a discount for you, again, for the next 24 hours. And the discount is going to be $5 off per bar. Again, for the next 24 hours, when we upload this video, or until we remember to change the price on the website. So you may get lucky. You never know if we forget to, but we'll probably be on top of it. Next 24 hours from the release of this video, $5 off per bar. Again, online, I'll put a link below to the individual product page in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment. And you can just walk into the Brisbane store or the Melbourne store here at 357 Collins Street and on level 14 and just say, hey, saw the special, and they'll be updated. The price will be updated on the website to reflect that discount again for the next 24 hours. So that is Ainslie Bullion 5-ounce silver bars for your special of the week. Got to subscribe to get these specials really quickly. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks very much. And thanks for choosing Ainslie.